Welcome to SharpShooter Inc, where we shoot you straight on product reviews, unboxings, mystery boxes, collectibles, kind of a whole lot of stuff. But today we have the Zanini Box. If y'all don't know what Zanini Box is, and by the way, I'm not sponsored by them or an affiliate, I'm just going to show you what we got in this box. This is the, what is it? August box. Zanini offers collectible pins. So if you're into pins, this is perfect box for you. They have different price ranges. I get the top of the line. It's about 20 bucks a month. It comes with well, let's just take a look and we'll show you what it comes with. I've been waiting to dig into this thing. All right, we have our cheat sheet. So you have your basic pack. Should be E.T., Johnny Bravo, and Marcus Phoenix. You get the little bit bigger pack, the standard. You also get a Stormtrooper for all you Star Wars fans out there, and the premium Captain America. Yeah, I like Captain America. You know, y'all know I love Superman, right? Crypto, Superdog, my DC stuff. But I am a huge fan of Marvel too. Let's dig in and see what we got. Nice, good stuff in here. All right. How about let's start off with Marcus Phoenix from Gears of War. These are pretty nice, high quality pins. They do come with backs on them. I also add to my order the metal pin backs in case I want to put them on something. That way they got the snap. It's a little bit harder for them to fall off. But let's take this out and look at it. What do you think? Marcus Phoenix. Any Gears of War fans out there? If you are, let me know in the comments. I've only played it a couple of times. Really kind of not my style of game. I like more, I don't know, fighting games. A little bit more light-hearted stuff, I guess you could say. I mean, come on, I'm decked out in Superman. What do you expect? He's the Boy Scout, right? So anyway, there's Marcus Phoenix. Next, we have, y'all see that? Is that light? I may have to adjust my ring light here. Johnny Bravo. What do we have? Johnny Bravo. I used to watch Cartoon Network and watch Johnny Bravo on it. That was pretty funny. I remember back, gosh, I guess it was, I don't know, high school days maybe. I was kind of dating myself. That was back in the mid to late 90s. But Johnny Bravo, and I'm sure he's probably still on there now. Nice pin. It's got two backs on it. That's pretty cool. I mean, and they feel really good. They're not, I mean, they're not cheap, flimsy things. You know, not like something like you get off AliExpress. Even though I have bought quite a few pins from AliExpress. I'm doing a shadow box and putting all my pins in, arranged them. Like I got my DC, I've got on my my Funko mystery boxes, like when they used to have the Legion of Collectors. And that's where I got this shirt from, if you're wondering. Wish they hadn't stopped doing it. Man, I love that box. Oh, I still get the Marvel Collector's Core because Amazon does it, so they still offer that one. I'm kind of anxious to get this next box. It's going to be Marvel Zombies, so we'll definitely be doing that one. Love some Marvel Zombies. And y'all, what's your favorite part of Marvel Zombies? If y'all have read the graphic novel and comic book series, let me know. Oh, this is classic. You see that? There you go. That's a little better. E.T. E.T. Come on, that's a classic. If you have not watched E.T., why don't you let me know? And I would highly recommend that you do. I mean, even for back in the day, in the 80s, that was some crazy special effects for that time. Very nice pin. There we go. You see it better now? Remember, E.T. phone home. Yeah, I know. It's stupid. But hey, it's cool. It's a good movie. I definitely highly recommend you watch it. Spielberg classic. Amazing. All right. Who likes Star Wars? Stormtrooper. Nice one. I like Star Wars. I just, it's on my list to watch, but I just have not watched the latest movie yet. What is it? Oh gosh, I don't want to sound like an idiot. Rise of Skywalker. Was it that one? Yes, because The Force Awakens, I guess, was an older one. But I've watched all of them up until the last one. I'm sorry. I know. I'm an idiot. That's okay. If you've seen it and you like it, let me know. I'm kind of... It's on my list, but it's, not like my highest priority right now. I haven't seen Solo either. I gotta take that back. Solo. I've seen all the other ones, Rogue One, all that. Haven't seen Solo either. But it's on my list. Kind of hadn't got around to it yet, you get busy, and it's just not right there. Anybody ever get like me? You sit down to watch something and you start flipping through stuff, and instead of watching stuff that's on your list, you've wasted 2, 3, 4, 5 hours going through just meaningless stuff when you could have been doing something productive. And that really goes for a lot of our lives too. How much stuff do we not pay attention to? Choices we make. I'm reading the book The Compound Effect. I would highly recommend that you read that awesome book by Darren Hardy. It talks about taking control of the choices you make and really thinking about things, and it really helps you through your daily life, because we do a lot of stuff just mindless. We just kind of float through life, doing the same old, and not realizing there we go, what we're actually doing. So, very good book. Highly recommend it. It talks about, personal development, finances. There's a lot of stuff. I would highly recommend it. Again, not sponsored, just trying to help you out. It's helped me a lot, and hey, maybe it'll help some of you. All right, last pin. El Capitan America. Love Captain America. Hey, have y'all seen that 80s movie? Not 80s, 90s movie, Captain America? They actually did a pretty good job. I know the Red Skull was, probably not the best. But man, I loved it when I was a kid. Loved it. I still watched it. If you have not seen it, I cannot remember what actor was it that played it. Taking this one out. I'm hanging this one up. Yeah. Very nice pen. Look at they're cool. They're not stupid looking pens. They're nice. Nice quality pens. I don't know, you've seen people put them on vests. I've seen people put them on backpacks or jackets or shadow boxes like I'm doing, all kind of stuff. Your imagination is your only limitation, right? Now, oh my goodness, I just saw this. I was going to tell you about these, but this just totally drew my attention away. There's a upgrade on the pack of the Zanini box where you can get these like collector's cards. And I just noticed, what do we got there? Superman, #1, June 7th, 1939. Amazing. I love that. That's definitely staying in my collection. We got here Hulk. Everybody loves Hulk, right? If you don't like Hulk, let me know why. It's a cool character, and I think Mark Ruffalo has done an amazing job with it. I really like the one with Edward Norton also, but Mark Ruffalo, he's done pretty cool. He definitely makes a good Bruce Banner for sure. Spawn. Issue #1, June 1st, 1992. Oh, if you're wondering, yes, I am reading the backs of them because it gives all the details. No, I'm not. I don't know it all by heart. All right. What do we got next? Look, movies too. Birdman. You got Argo. Ben Affleck. Yup. Game of Thrones. Who likes some Game of Thrones? What was your favorite character? What do we got next? Oh, and here comes the video games. Call of Duty. God of War, awesome games. And Fortnite. Y'all, my stepson is crazy about Fortnite. I've got a 3D printer too. I made him like the Fortnite V-Bucks and all that kind of stuff. He loved it, man. It was pretty cool. Nice little bonding experience. But, you know, you gotta do stuff for your kids, man. You know, be interested in what they're interested in. They talk to you a lot more that way. Man, that's really all I got for this box. That was it. Next, I also... Ooh, excuse me. Sorry about that. Next, I also do have the August-September box. Why I've not opened these yet is beyond me, I guess. You know, I was kind of on the fence about starting to make videos and stuff. And by the way, yes, I am brand new at this. So if you got any pointers, constructive criticism would be helpful. Let me know. If you like this kind of content, if you'd like to see me do something a little bit different, hey, that's cool too. I'm learning as I go. You know, if y'all ever watch Think Media, you know, he says, you know, you just got to press record. And that's what I'm doing. I'm going to learn as I go. So, hey, love y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, you know, all the usual stuff. But yeah, I would appreciate any constructive criticism you have. Hey, I got big shoulders. I could take it. All right. We want to improve. All right. It's been fun, and I'll see you in the next one.